Thanks, Pranay. Let's bring in Bhavan Desai of Motilal Oswal at this point. Bhavan, the question which is coming in from our viewer, Rima, is really, how do you foresee consolidation for the Nifty as far as the June series goes?
Well, no big event, at least for this month, or at least for this expiry. So that is one cue that can be taken for any sort of excitement that should be expected, and without any event with a huge movement at the back of on our back, with the May series already posting large amount of gains, there is a fair amount of possibility for a consolidation to take place. Options data indicating the same. The range seems to be about 7,000 and 7,100 on the downside, and 7,500 on the upside, and the writers are still standing of about 5.5 million on 7,500 call, which is advocating the same fact as well. So consolidative it could be for the June series.
Sure. Okay. Bhavan, I want to talk to you about Maruti, considering we have seen some news flow of that, but I'll come to that next. You have Hindalco on your radar. What would you recommend there?
See, the stock has actually been doing the upticks more on the short coverings than on the long creations, and only in the last expiry we've seen some amount of long creation that has taken place. So if the spiral of fresh long creation takes place continuously, then there are chances that we could be seeing much higher levels for this particular stock than the other ones, than the other peers, and that in itself gives us some amount of confidence in creating a long position here. At this juncture, after such a move also, one can take a trade whereby one can go long on 175 call, simultaneously go short on 185 call, keep a price target of profit target of about 10,000 rupees, and work with absolute loss stop loss of about 3,000 rupees.
Okay, so Maruti, we've seen news flow of those roadshows which could possibly happen later this month. What would you recommend for someone looking to play there?
If somebody who's keenly interested into going ahead and creating an investment in this particular stock, then we would recommend that if this price is not comfortable, then we would recommend that try and sell about 100 rupees lower put option, and whatever money is earmarked can be used for the margins, and go ahead and take delivery if it falls by more than 100%, more than 100 rupees rather. And for those who are looking at trading it for the short term, try and create one position, a long position in a strike which is nearest to the current market price, a call option, and go about 200 rupees higher, and simultaneously short the call option of that particular strike. This would take care of the time value decay, and give the gentleman a certain amount of upside till the end of the expiry, which would turn out to be about 6 to 7% kind of returns.
All right, very quickly, Ambuja Cement. We've seen the entire cement pack run up after the new government came into place. What would you recommend on Ambuja?
Some better news flow, and the stock was picked up in the morning trade. It has once again come off from those levels. So a good opportunity to buy. Once again, very long heavy sectors, and despite of the price action, we've not seen any long unwinding yet. So once again, a bull spread only. It's a consolidative market. These are larger stocks, so it makes sense to go ahead and trade in these kind of spreads, so that in case if you go wrong on the time, you don't get punished due to the erosion in the time value. Here 240 call can be bought, and 250 call can be sold. Once again, absolute profit target of about 8,000 rupees, absolute loss stop loss of about 3,000 rupees.
All right, Bhavan, we'll leave it at that. Just a quick reminder for our viewers that you can always email us at that email. They'll come up at the bottom of your screens, and we'll get our experts to answer your queries for you. But do take a break on that note. On the other side, all eyes on the highly anticipated European Central Bank meeting later this evening. Mario Draghi expected to take rates into negative territory. Details when we return.